The Office of Financial Aid has heard your requests, and we have worked diligently to develop a process for USM students and their parents to be able to complete the FAFSA verification process online in SOAR. This tutorial will help guide you through the steps to complete the process. Here are the steps for dependent students and their parents to complete the verification process online. You, the student, will navigate to the login page of SOAR and enter your user ID and password. If you are having issues logging into SOAR, please contact the iTech Help Desk at 601-266-4357. Now that you are logged into SOAR, click on the Tasks tile on your student homepage. On your to-do list, you should see the Dependent Verification Worksheet. Click on that to-do item. When you click on the to-do item, you will see instructions about the requested item. At the bottom, there is a blue link that says Online Verification Worksheet. Click the blue link to complete the worksheet online in SOAR. Now that you have located the online verification worksheet, you will need to click on the Parent/Guardian Access to give your parent or parents access to complete the Parent section of the verification worksheet and upload any documents requested. The parent or parents to whom you grant access must be listed on the FAFSA. Follow the directions indicated on the screen to grant access to the parent or parents listed on your FAFSA. You can list up to 2 authorized users. For each user added, be sure to check the Accept Authorization box. The name or names of the requested authorized user must match the parent names provided on the FAFSA in order for the access to be granted. Next, be sure to click the Add button, and you should receive a message box that states Account created successfully. Click OK. If you wish to add another authorized user, you may. When you are finished, go to the Home button in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Now that you have granted your parent access, the next step is actually completing the verification worksheet. The form adds you, the student, as a family member into the Family Information section automatically. You need to finish by answering if you will be enrolled at least half-time. You must complete your family information at the bottom by adding additional members using the plus button. If you are not sure who is included in your family, please read the bullets under Family Information. Additionally, the questions college and will be enrolled at least half must be answered for each household member. If a member in your family is not attending college at all, enter NA in the college question and no in the will be enrolled at least half-time. Once all your family members are added, click Continue at the bottom left. Step 2 is the Student Tax Information section. If you filed taxes for the year indicated, select Yes, that you did file taxes, and then answer whether or not you used the IRS data retrieval tool when you submitted your FAFSA. Click Continue at the bottom. On the next screen, we will explain how to enter information if you did not file taxes. If you did not file taxes for the year indicated on the screen, select No. Next, indicate if you did or did not earn any wages from working during the stated year by selecting the appropriate option. If you did earn wages, a new screen will open up for you to enter the name of the company for which you worked and the amount earned. If you worked for multiple companies during that year, simply click the plus button and add the others. When you finish, click Continue. Step 3 is the Parent Tax Information section. Select Yes if your parent did file taxes for the year indicated, and then answer whether or not they used the IRS data retrieval tool when you submitted your FAFSA. As previously explained, if your parent did not file taxes for the year stated, indicate that accordingly and proceed as before. However, if your parent did not file taxes, they will need to upload a non-tax filing letter from the IRS for that particular year. Information about uploading documents will be discussed later. Click Continue at the bottom. Step 4 is the final review. This will allow you to review what you have previously answered. If you need to edit a section, navigate to steps 1, 2, or 3 on the top left. If everything is correct, click on Save and Continue to Signature page at the bottom. The student signature page is electronic. Click on the button that says, I certify that all information is correct, and it should change to a green yes. If you want a copy of this document, click Print Verification Worksheets to download a copy to your computer. You will not be able to download a copy after you hit the Save button. Once you are ready, hit Save to submit the document. Now that you have submitted the online worksheet, you can navigate back to your to-do list in SOAR from your student homepage. You will see that the dependent verification worksheet is still visible, but you, the student, have completed your portion of the form. In this case, the student filed taxes, so you see the student 2018 IRS tax transcript is an item that requires you to upload your taxes. If you indicated that you did not file taxes, you would not have this item on your to-do list. We will discuss how you and your parent can upload documents later. However, your parent must still sign that dependent verification worksheet. Your parent will log into SOAR using their user ID and the password that you generated for them when access was granted. Here is a hint. Your parent's user ID to log in to the parent or guardian portal will start with a P1 or P2 followed by your student ID number. Here is how the parent would log in to the parent portal. Notice the parent's user ID begins with P1. Once logged in, the parent will click on Student Information on the Welcome page, and this is the pop-up that will appear. Click OK on the Not Authorized message to reveal the link for the Dependent Verification Worksheet, which is on the to-do list. The parent will click on the Online Verification Worksheet link to access the document from the to-do list item. Next, the parent should click on the Signature Page button. The parent will enter the last 4 digits of their Social Security number and their last name that matches the information on the FAFSA. Be sure to certify yes that all information is correct. If you want a copy of the document, you must select Print Verification Worksheets before you save. The next step to complete the verification process is the Parent IRS Tax Transcript to Do item if they indicated on the verification worksheet they filed taxes and did not use the IRS data retrieval tool when submitting the FAFSA. Click on the item for more information. If the parent used the IRS data retrieval tool when the FAFSA was submitted, the IRS tax transcript item will not be there because they have already fulfilled the requirement by using the IRS data retrieval tool. If this is the case, the parent has completed the online verification process at this time. However, the student may have to upload additional documentation. If no additional items are requested on the to-do list, the student should monitor their SOAR account and USM email for further updates. The next section will demonstrate how to upload documents if needed for both the parent and the student. When you navigate to your to-do list, you will see requested items. Each item will have a gray Upload File button on the right side of your screen. Click there to upload the requested document. Next, click on My Device from the pop-up window. This will pull up your File Explorer on your computer. Find the saved document and click Open at the bottom right corner. Once you have selected your document, click on the Upload button. The document will take a minute or so to upload, and that can be seen by the green status bar on the bottom. Once Upload Complete is shown on the bottom right corner of the File Attachment pop-up, click the green Done button in the top right corner. Next, you will see the document name that you uploaded. Once you are ready to submit, click Save Files You Uploaded in the bottom left corner. If the Save button is not clicked, your uploads will not be submitted to the financial aid office. Next, you can view the file that you uploaded if you would like. Now that you have uploaded your document, you can navigate back to the to-do list in SOAR and see that the item uploaded is no longer there. If additional documents are still needed, the parent or the student can upload the documents as previously explained. If the student is the one to upload their tax return transcript, they will need to be logged into SOAR with their credentials. However, the parent can upload the student's information while being logged in if necessary. A financial aid counselor will review the documentation you submitted and notify you if there is any additional documentation needed to complete the process. The student should monitor their SOAR account and USM email account for updates to their financial aid status.